Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share this package that I received, and it's a Happy Mail. I'm not sure because I didn't know it was coming. So I'm just as surprised as you are, and it is from my Twinsie. That is Samantha, and she is by Sweet Tea and Grace here on YouTube. And we found out that we liked a lot of things that were similar, so we started nicknaming each other Twinsie. And yeah, so I was super excited when I saw this and quite surprised because I'm not sure what she sent and I didn't realize she was sending me something. But let's take a look to see what she sent. Samantha, you didn't have to send me anything, so I don't know what you're up to. All right, let's take a look. Oh, see, these girls are beautiful. I just love that. Hey, girl. Oh, it's not a card. It's just a piece. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. Hey, Twinsie, I made you a little something to use when you go camping. Of course, by the time you get this package, summer might be over. Also brought you some of the Hobby Lobby Girl stickers for your stash. Oh, also bought you some. Enjoy, XO Samantha. Oh, thank you, Samantha. Well, I'm home for the weekend. I just came in because I knew there was a few packages waiting. So I decided while hubby was out fishing, I was going to come in. So whatever's in here, I can take to the campground this weekend because we're there till this weekend. So thank you so much, Samantha. You didn't have to send me anything, but girl, you know I'm going to love it. All right, let's take a look. Oh my God. Look at that. I gotta look at this. Okay, I have to tell you guys something here, even before I look at this. As a martial artist, my husband and I have a club, a martial arts club. And one of the things I do is I teach women self-defense. And the women's self-defense program is one of my sayings that I like to say. I call it the program WASP, which is Women's Awareness Survival Program. And I know this is probably more of a B, but anytime I see a bee or a wasp or anything like that, I just love it because it reminds me of something that my husband and I created. So we call it Women's Awareness Survival Program. And I always say, unlike a bumblebee who stings once and dies, a wasp can sting multiple times and live to, fight another day. But seeing this, and almost like she knew, but I understand why she's sending it because it says buzzed. Well, okay, I'm not going to say anything more. And then lit. Oh, that's cute. That's perfect. Hammered. Well, that was probably a couple times. And toasted. These are awesome. Hubby is going to love these. These are perfect. I love the wooden pieces too. That's perfect. I love that. And she put the little doodads on the back. I love it. I'm taking these camping with me this weekend. This is perfect. These are super adorable, and I appreciate you making those for me. You didn't have to do that, but you know what? This is kind of what our week vacation was like. So it kind of sums it up in 4 coasters. It's perfect. And I absolutely love this one because, again, what it means to my husband and I. So yeah, this is perfect. Perfect. Thank you, Samantha. Oh, and she sent me these girls. Move this in the way. Oh my God. I've never seen these close up other than the one that I received. And I believe it was this one. Okay, sorry guys. I was just talking to myself. I had my phone on Do Not Disturb, but when it rings, it still shuts off the video. And I was just talking to myself for probably a good couple minutes. So let's try this again. So as I was saying, I haven't seen these before other than the one that I received from Miss Velma. And it's this one here. And I didn't realize that they puffed out like this and they had like tulle and everything on it. Like, these are super adorable. I just don't understand why they don't sell them here. Or I haven't seen them anywhere here anyway. But look at them. They are just absolutely fascinating. And I can see why everyone loves these. Like, they are super adorable. And they even have like the little tulle on the dress. I can't get over that. I don't know why they don't sell them here. Because I know that they would sell pretty good, unless I'm missing them, which could very well be because my eyes are horrible. But Sam, you didn't have to send me any of these, although I do appreciate you sending them. And I probably won't use these because I'm probably going to hoard them. But no, just kidding. I will use these because they are beautiful. And I just think that they, you know, they're stunning. And I like the variety, the dresses, the pants, and, you know, the little skirts and I just find them fascinating. I don't know what it is about them, and I'm sure you guys are all the same way, but that price there, that would never be here in Canada. I can tell you, these would be probably $7 to $10. Absolutely $7 to $10. We would never get them for $3.99. Never. These are beautiful. Thank you, Samantha. Girl, you know I love you. So there's going to be payback. I'll be sending you something, but it won't be something like these, unfortunately. But these are perfect. I'm heading to the campground very soon. I'm going back and meeting hubby there. He's out fishing, so I thought I would just stop in. These are perfect. I absolutely love them, and they're gonna go amazing with our glamping, because we don't camp. We don't use a tent, but we do have a camper. So these are perfect. I appreciate you taking the time to create something like that for me. I really do appreciate that. And these are very fitting for my husband and I. Very fitting, I have to say. But I appreciate you sending me these, and I adore you, and you know I adore you. I treasure our friendship, and I'm so glad that we met here on YouTube. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to Samantha by Sweet Tea and Grace, please go over and show her some love and subscribe and hit that notification bell. You will absolutely love her. You will adore her. I kid you not. So thank you again, Samantha. I appreciate you sending this to me. I know it probably cost you more than probably what to send this than probably, you know, the cost of these. And I value our friendship. So thank you again, Samantha. I appreciate it. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.